guys, it's me again, and I kind of wanted to make this kind of another short video, sorry, but I kind of wanted to test and see if certain sounds you guys would like to hear more of. I could show myself making them, but it's kind of, right now, just like an audio sample. So I'm going to make a few noises, and if any of them you particularly like, please feel free to leave a comment. I can make a longer video featuring them. But it's just a few noises right now. So let's start with one. Alright, that's one of them. Here's the next one. I was actually two sounds at once. I'm sorry, that was tapping and scratching. But yeah, sorry, I can definitely make longer videos featuring those sounds if any of you would like that. This channel is pretty small right now, and I'm trying to get more of my subscribers over to here, but I will try to post this on both channels and hopefully get the attention over to this one. But for now, thank you for watching, and please leave a comment of what noise you like the most, the tapping, the scratching, and the third one I can't remember actually. Wow, that's really sad. But yes, just please leave a comment.